Hello explorers, are you a fan of rice salad? If yes, how do you prepare your salad? What ingredients do you normally use? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare my rice salad, and I'm going to show you everything that I use when I'm preparing my salad. Alright, so we are in the kitchen and everything that I use, they are here in front of me. So first of all, I use mayo. Yes, I normally use mayo, and I always use sweet and sour whole gherkins because I like my salad crunchy and sourish. I also use eggs and plain feta cheese. Yes. I also add some tuna fish in my salad. Yes, so it cannot be rice salad without rice. So here I have my parboiled rice. I'm using Tasty Rice brand. Yeah, because that's what I have, but you can use any parboiled rice, any brand that you have. So I'm preparing a meal for one person. That means I'm going to measure a half cup of rice. That will be enough for one person. Yes, so after measuring a half cup, I'm going to rinse my rice. Just want to wash it a little bit, then we're gonna put it in the pot and start boiling it. If you're new on my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this type of content, please support my small channel by subscribing. Turn on that notification bell so that each and every time when I post a video, you will be notified. Let's go ahead and add 2 cups of water and boil our rice. We are going to add a pinch of salt or enough salt to give our rice a good taste. While we are waiting for our rice to boil, let's go ahead and boil our eggs. Yeah, I normally boil my eggs for like 7 to 10 minutes, but you can boil them longer if you like. Yes, that's what we are going to do now. Our eggs are busy boiling, and I saw that our pot of rice is ready. So I'm going to take out the rice. I'm gonna just put it in a bowl. Our eggs are ready. So the next step is to drain all the hot water from the pot, and straight away I'm going to add cold water. it helps the eggs to cool down, and it's gonna be also easy for us to peel. My next step is to cut my gherkins into small pieces. Yes, some people they call these pickles. Yes, so gherkins are rich in nutrients. It is low in fat and helps control your weight. It also lowers the risk of heart disease and cancer. I love pickles. I love gherkins. Now that we have added our boiled eggs to our dish, let's go ahead and open our tin of tuna fish. Tuna fish has a lot of benefits to our bodies. Yes, it has a lot of nutrients like iron, vitamin B6, potassium, iodine, and many more. Let's go ahead and add our feta cheese. We're gonna just cut it into smaller pieces. Then from there we're gonna add mayo. Now let's go ahead and mix everything together: our rice, our pickles, our eggs, everything together with the mayo. It looks creamy and it looks good. I hope it's gonna taste as good as it looks, but now I feel like adding some cherry tomatoes. This is our salad. Let's go and grab some tomatoes and cut them and add them in our salad. Here is our salad. This is how it looks. I cannot wait to give it a taste. If you are still watching and you like my content, please subscribe. And if you have friends who likes to try new recipes or they just love cooking, please send them this video. Let them also give this recipe a shot. This whole salad tastes really good. You can taste all the pickles, all these cherry tomatoes, the creamy of the cheese, and also the rice is well cooked. It was very nice to share this recipe with you, and I would love to see you guys again. Please be kind to yourself and to others. I'll see you in my next video. Let me know what you think about this recipe after you try it. I'll see you guys later. Ciao. Bye.